I'm Pascal from Fast Forward Events in Belgium. We're a well-known Belgian event company. I'm the owner. I'm also the creative director of Fast Forward Events. So we do very diverse events, from meetings and seminars to product launches. We even have our own ecological event. One of our slogans is logic meets magic. So magic is the creative side of doing events and incentives, but the logic part is really important for us. A partner needs to have our own high standard of organizing things, because clients are paying a lot of money to do something, to organize something, and therefore it should be really high level. In Belgium, we're well known for sound and light and video techniques, so that's really important for us. You need to reinvent yourself, you need to have inspiration, but also we're very good in storytelling. So taking the story from the beginning till the end of the event, and then it's important to surprise your clients, but also surprise the people who are attending the event, of course. And it's important to be in those briefings, and then the ideas come up, and the suppliers work together with us to have the right spirit in the event as the client wants. Everybody can organize a festival, but the storytelling from the beginning, when people are invited to the event, and make this really going around in the company and work till the final, and the final is the festival, and afterwards you have the after movie and after communication. The whole package is something that's for us really important. That's something we rather want to do, because marketing is also a big part of doing events. It's not only the event, the production, but it's the logic meets magic thought. For me, doing sport is really important to clear my mind, but also to be creative. Sometimes when I'm running or cycling, I get new inspiration. It's a moment I can let everything go. You don't have your laptop, you don't have your mobile phone, so it's good to have those free time. I have a challenge coming up in March. I'm going to do the Marathon des Sables. It's ultra running in the desert of Morocco. 240 kilometers of running. So it's setting up new challenges for yourself, and I'm doing it in business, but I'm doing it also in private. I was really interested in the program, meeting new suppliers, have a lot of inspiration of possibilities around Europe. For us, it's important if you go outside Belgium to have good contacts, because we know very well the Belgian market, but sometimes abroad it's difficult to find the right partners and the right suppliers. So I think there's a lot of possibilities, business opportunities.